While the importance of morning workouts cannot be emphasized enough as they improve every aspect of your well-being, evening exercises are no less significant and can play an important role in blood sugar management and boosting sleep quality. There are several studies that prove the effectiveness of exercising in preventing heart diseases, promoting relaxation and offering better glycemic control. A study published in the journal Diabetes Care by researchers at the University of Sydney discovered that those who performed moderate to vigorous physical activity between 6 p.m. and midnight had the lowest risk of premature death and death from heart disease. The study suggests evening workouts can bring health benefits for obese people. In a study published in BMJ Open Sport and Exercise, it was found that people who had evening exercise breaks slept 27 minutes longer than those who remained sedentary for 4 hours. Engaging in physical activity can also help beat stress and relax for deep and uninterrupted sleep. Here are some of the evening workouts that you can try. Running an evening run can be quite relaxing and help clear the thought chatter. Evening exercises can help a great deal in quieting the mental chatter and preparing your mind for a better sleep. Besides, running is great for your heart too, besides helping you with burning calories. High-intensity interval training, short bursts of intense exercises followed by rest can help burn calories. According to a study, exercising in 3-minute bursts and engaging in vigorous physical activity in the evening can help bring amazing benefits for losing weight and staying fit. For this height, workouts can be quite effective in upping your metabolism. Strength training: you can try doing exercises like push-ups, lifting weights, lunges, squats and building muscle. For best results, try these workouts in the evening and not very close to your bedtime. Yoga: doing yoga in the evening is all about promoting flexibility, burning calories and also promoting sleep. Choose asanas that help release stress and prepare you for better sleep. Cycling: just like walking, cycling can be fun and relaxing, and can be the perfect workout to reverse adverse effects of a sedentary lifestyle. You could venture outdoors or do stationary cycling at a gym. It's a great way to strengthen your lower body. Swimming: when it comes to choosing a workout that doesn't put pressure on joints or strain your muscles, swimming is a great option. It not only helps you burn calories, but also has a meditative effect on you, which helps you release stress and sleep better. This of course doesn't undermine the importance of morning exercises or walks. Studies say that morning movement is better for. However, evening workouts can be better for gaining strength or muscles. In evenings your bodies are naturally warmed up too. Perhaps the ideal time to exercise is around sunrise or sunset for getting vitamin D. Morning or evening, it's important to schedule some exercise hours for holistic wellness.